backlash around OpenAI's decision to sign a defense deal with the US Department of War continues to rumble on as Sam Altman admits that it was rushed. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. As ChatGPT uninstall rates go up by 295%, Altman has taken to social media to clarify some aspects of the deal. The agreement now specifically states that ChatGPT-powered AI systems at the DoW shall not be intentionally used for domestic surveillance of US persons and nationals. Along with the use of fully autonomous weapons, mass surveillance was a main sticking point for critics of the OpenAI deal. In the same social media post, Altman says rushing to get this out came across as opportunistic and sloppy. The CEO has also called on the US government to reverse its directive to freeze out Anthropic and Claude from official agencies, describing it as a very bad decision. It remains to be seen whether Altman's latest attempts will work or not. According to data from Sensor Tower, almost 295% users are taking the app off their phones and are seemingly heading to Claude. Sensor Tower reports installs in the US were up 37% last Friday and up 51% last Saturday. And Claude has also hit the top of the Apple App Store charts. Within the last couple of days, the AI bot has also made chat memory available for all users. Reddit posts suggest that users are serious about AI ethics. Plus, there are also numerous complaints across several Reddit threads that the quality of ChatGPT's responses have been declining too. It looks like consumers, the US government, OpenAI, and Anthropic will still have plenty more to say on these issues as the debate on the safety and ethicality of AI models continues. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.